Here we are taking the other stereochemical mode for foreign electron system, that is antarofacial. So here also I am explaining through Xi1 only. Now in Xi1, if I do a antarofacial mode of overlapping, how to do antarofacial? See the hydrogen which was attacked from down, the migration of that hydrogen will go from down to up. Okay, if the migration of hydrogen is going from, see when respect to this carbon, hydrogen is attached to down lobe. Now the migration is going from down to above of other lobe. So as the migration is going to an anti-position, means previously it was 1, now it is going to the top mode, so it is known as the antarofacial. So what is supramode? Here if the hydrogen is shifting from down to down is known as a suprafacial. Now when you go to antarofacial, if the hydrogen is going from down to up. Now when we do the antarofacial, with which is attacking, I am representing the transition state. So in this transition state, when you see, I have drawn the hydrogen down. Now previously hydrogen was attached here. Now when I do antara, it will go and attack where? Top lobe. No, that's the reason I have shown the shading with the top lobe. So when I do antara, it will go and attack to the top lobe. That's the reason I have showed hydrogen shading with the top lobe. And now we see the number of electrons participating. So number of electrons, when you see here, so number of electrons which are participating are 4n, and when you see number of nodes, generally Xi1 will have 0 number of nodes, and when I do stereochemical mode, shaded is overlapped with shaded, node is not formed. Here shaded is overlapping with unshaded, one node is formed. So during stereochemical mode, one node is formed, total number of nodes are 1, that is 1. And foreign electron system with one number of node is Mobius aromatic. As it is Mobius aromatic, it will be stable in the ground state and it is thermally allowed. That is also thermally symmetrically allowed. So small tip ma, see wherever you see antara, according to your syllabus, you are having all smaller pi electron systems. So wherever you are seeing antara, you specify clearly that at whatever condition, whether it is thermal or photochemical, you specify that thermally symmetrically allowed, geometrically forbidden. Or what you do is just write down thermal, don't need to write geometrically forbidden, you just write down thermally symmetrically allowed. Okay. Now in the same example, you try for Xi3 molecular orbital. I hope you understood how you have to do migration from down to up. Previously supra I have done from down to down only, but here I will be doing down to up. Now we draw a transition state, later you count the number of nodes. Easy way to count the number of nodes, first write down the nodes of Xi1, later you check the nodes whether any new nodes are formed during the stereochemical mode, and you count total number of mode and you say whether it is thermally or photochemically allowed. Wherever antara comes, you please specify there that it is thermally or photochemically symmetrically allowed. The word symmetrically allowed should be used. Now we go to the next examples of next system, that is 4n plus 2 pi electron system. The example of 4n plus 2 pi electron system is 1,5 hydrogen or deuterium shift. So here this is a migration origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here hydrogen is shifting from 1 to 5 and this pi electrons will get shifted. Okay, what is happening? This hydrogen is shifting from 1 to 5, means this bond is breaking, sigma bond is shifting around the pi system. Now this bond hydrogen is shifting from 1 to 5. Previous it was attached to first carbon, now it is attacking to the fifth carbon. So the hydrogen is shifting from 1 to 5 and the position of double bond changes, you will be getting this product. So this type of shift is known as the hydrogen shift, 1,5 hydrogen shift. And if in the place of hydrogen, if you are having a deuterium, that is the isotope of hydrogen deuterium, you can call it as 1,5 the deuterium shift. Now when you see here stereochemical mode, when you are seeing the stereochemical mode, here you will be having stereochemical mode. First we will go for suprafacial. Now when I take suprafacial, here I am taking what system? 1,5 suprafacial. Example, first I will take Xi1. See here I am taking the Xi1 as example. When you take Xi1 as example, see all shaded lobes will be towards same side. How to draw this is, here this is attached to hydrogen, that's the reason I have kept a lobe. Here this is attached to hydrogen, that's the reason I have kept a loop. Now you see all the p orbitals whether all are facing towards downside. So any nodes are there? No, zero number of nodes are there. That's the reason xy1. How to represent xy1? Just draw 5 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon chain. Keep all lobes downside and attach one of the lobe to the hydrogen. Now I am doing suprafacial. What is suprafacial? The migration from down to down. See, when you compare this lobe, this is down one. When you compare this lobe, this is down one. So migration from down to down is a suprafacial. Now I draw its transition state. How I will draw it? Just keep the hydrogen in middle. Previously it was attached to this lobe. Now it is attaching to this lobe, and you count the number of electrons. So here, before going to that, here we will count the number of electrons. Here 2 electrons, 2 electrons. Total how many? 4 pi electrons are there. Because we are having 2 pi bonds now, that's the reason 4 pi electrons. Here 1 sigma bond is participating, so 2 sigma electrons. Total number of electrons are 6 electrons. So how you will count it, ma? How many pi bonds are there? 2 pi bonds are there, that's the reason I written 4 electrons. Now 1 sigma is also participating, so 2 sigma electrons. Total number of electrons are 6 electrons. So here when you see it, number of electrons are 6. As it is 6, it is not a multiple of 4, so it comes under 4n plus 2 rule. Now number of nodes you see, in xy1 actually you will have 0 node. Now when you see here, shaded is overlapping with shaded only, here also shaded is overlapping with shaded only. No nodes during stereochemical mode, nodes are not formed, so total number of nodes are 0. Here nodes are 0, and 4n plus 2 system with 0 or even number of nodes is aromatic. As it is aromatic, it will be stable in the ground state and it is thermally alert. So in this way you have to write it. I hope you understood. You try an example showing xy2 mode. So you take a system. For how you draw a system? First draw as having 5 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Later you keep p orbital. So based on the orbital xy1, xy2, xy3, xy4, you do shading. You keep oxygen here. If it is supra, do migration in this way. Okay, you try for xy2 ma. Here next stereochemical mode, if you see, here we will be having stereochemical mode, that is antarafacial. So when you take the stereochemical mode antarafacial, again I have took an example of xy1 only. In xy1 I have written the system with oxygen here. So now I am doing what track? Antarafacial, how the migration should take place. So with respect to this lobe, hydrogen is attached down. So with respect to this lobe, I have to shift the hydrogen from top to bottom, from bottom to top. Okay, from how I am shifting the hydrogens ma? Here this hydrogen is shift. Previously it was attached to bottom. Now it is going to the top. So from bottom to top it is going. It is known as Antara shift. Now I am showing its transition state. I have written this hydrogen here. Previously it attached to the lower lobe. Now it is attacking to the upper lobe. Now you count the number of nodes. So number of electrons are 6 pi electrons. Nodes you have, what type of system we have took? xy1. So xy1 will be having 0 node, and during stereochemical mode, any nodes are formed, you check it. See, shaded is overlapped with shaded only, node is not formed. Here shaded is overlapping with unshaded, one node will be formed. So here one node will be formed, total number of nodes are 1. Now 6 electron, that is 4n pi system with odd number of nodes is anti-aromatic. As it is anti-aromatic, it will be stable in excited state and it is photochemically alert. See, already I specified wherever you have Antara, because in your syllabus you will be having only the smallest system. Here Antara came, no, you keep it up photochemically symmetrically alert. So these are the examples of 4n plus 2 system. You try the molecular orbital of xy3. See here, don't worry if you are not understanding how to draw the molecular orbitals of xy2, xy3 of 5 carbon system. I will be explaining in the next video. You can take the help of that next video to see the molecular orbital diagram of 5 carbon system. Okay, xy1, xy2, xy3, xy4, xy5. How many carbons are there here? xy1, xy2, xy3, xy5. 5 carbons are there. So I am taking 5 molecular orbital. If you are not understanding how to draw, you can go through the next video.